Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. We are back home from the Maldives and that trip was incredible. If you guys have not seen the video from there, the vlog that I filmed, I'll have it linked down below. It was such a fun trip and such a new experience. Like, it was our first family vacation with our baby. So definitely different, but still so special and so much fun. Anyway, we are back and I feel like so many things have changed in our routine and just life in general since we left. I think when you have a baby, especially a young baby, things just change all the time. You get into a certain routine and then they grow and their needs change and then the routine changes and that changes like your life completely as well. But I do feel the older she gets, the more steady and stable and more independent she gets in terms of her sleep and her activity and all of that. So for example, she's been sleeping so well at night. So we put her to bed at around 7 to 7:30 and she sleeps up until about 7 o'clock, which is incredible. Like that, I have not gotten this kind of sleep since before she was born. With that as well, she's been napping really great too. She's taking longer naps. I mentioned in a few videos back that we were really struggling with that. Like, she just took 30-minute naps. Unless she was being held, she would take longer naps, or you would like go in and resettle her. So that is really nice, and her routine and her schedule is becoming more predictable and more solid. So that feels amazing. I did a poll recently on my Instagram and I asked if you guys wanted to see our sleep journey. Definitely happy to do that because I know it's such a big part of like being a new mom and figuring out your routines and your schedules and when you can do things. A lot of you said you wanted to see that. So I will probably be filming that in the next few weeks, along with our breastfeeding journey and my story and all of that as well, because I also mentioned that on my Instagram. Anyway, we are back and life is pretty good right now. And it's soon spring as well, just in a couple of weeks. Actually, by the time you guys watch this, it will be next week. So that is so exciting. I do have a few areas of our apartment that I actually want to go through and declutter and organize a little bit better. And also the fact that it's soon going to be spring. I feel like it's a good fitting moment, and I thought I would film parts of it as well. Maybe it will inspire some of you guys to do the same. I always get asked questions on how do you keep things like neat and organized. Honestly, the key is just to have a few things, like not over clutter your space. I'm not a minimalist by any means, but I definitely enjoy the concept. It's just better for my mind. I feel more clarity when I'm in a space and in environments that are not super cluttered and everything is like curated and to the point and intentional. I think it's really important to go through and audit your space, your closets, your kitchen, your things. Okay, so here are two of the spaces and drawers in our kitchen that I've been wanting to go through and where we keep a lot of our larger appliances. I'm not so into our coffee machine, for example, but it's in this prime space here in our kitchen. So I'm going to move this up into a space where I can still get it if I need it, but it's not in front and center space. I make toast a lot, so our toaster stands here outside most of the time. So making space for that, for example, is important. I first like to take everything out so that firstly I can go through what's actually in there, and sometimes I find things that I can donate or things that just don't need to be in such a prime space of the kitchen. And then of course it also allows you to properly clean the surface of the drawer, making it feel just really fresh and clean at the same time. I do also like to keep my protein powders in this drawer too, since they're a little bit bulkier inside. So I do the same thing with the drawer below. Take everything out, wipe down the surface, go through all the items, and as you can see, this looks so much better now. Okay, another area that I've been wanting to update is my spice drawer. It's already in a pretty good condition, but some of the spices, like my vanilla, for example, this is in an old black pepper jar as I just didn't have a designated place for it. So this needs to be updated. And then also the top part of a few of these jars have just eroded and they just don't shut properly. So I got these new glass jars from Amazon and these labels are from Etsy. I will have everything linked down below for you. And I'm just going to update all the jars with the new labels and just generally give the whole drawer a little refresh. And this is what it looks like now. It looks so nice and it just inspires me when places are clean and fresh to use them more and to cook more. So I'm really happy with this. Okay, I am in our bedroom now and I'm going through these closets right here, and I came across this photo album that I thought I would share with you guys. This is a photo album that my mom made for me from when I was a baby. I am also making a similar one for Nalia. So many of you say that Nalia, our baby, looks like Mo, like she's his twin. Yes, they definitely have a lot of similarities, especially in the eyes, but you guys, I think she looks like my twin when I was a baby, and I don't think I've ever shown you guys my baby pictures. So when I saw this album, I thought, okay, now is the time. This whole album is so sweet, by the way. I'm so happy that my mom did this for me, and just the time and the effort that it took to make this whole album, like, I so appreciate that. I'm making a similar one for Nalia as well that I actually started when I was pregnant, so there's all that stuff in there too. Let's get to 6 months. Okay, Nalia is now 7 months old. Okay, so this is from 7 months old. Look at that. That is Nalia. Okay, here is another picture. Right? How similar. Here, smiling. Here, this is so Nalia too. Like her cheeks, her mouth, her little nose. Okay, let's see. This was 6 months. This is also 6 months. These pictures. Okay, this is 5.5 months. I feel like here we look very, very similar too. How funny is that? This is so Nalia. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Here I am at 6 weeks old. I feel like we look very similar at the kind of newborn stage as well. This is 8 weeks old. And I mean, this is like a photocopy. Okay, so now that you've seen that, what do you think? Mo doesn't have any pictures from when he was a young baby, only from when he was like, I think 4 or 5 years old. So unfortunately we don't have a baby picture of Mo to compare. But yeah, let me know what you think now that you've seen my baby pictures. This is my outfit today. Not my regular running around mom outfit. We're actually going on our first ever date night tonight. Mo has been wanting to do this for a while and we finally organized it. So we are going out and I've gotten a little bit dressed up. It's still comfortable. That is always so important for me. So I'm wearing this black ribbed sweater from Zara. I've actually been wanting to wear this outfit. We just don't do many like evening things these days. But yeah, this ribbed sweater is from Zara, as are these pants. These are super, super flattering. I love them and they are extremely comfortable. There's a little bit of stretch to them as well, and I feel like they're very flattering and elongating. They sit a little bit higher up on the waist and they just really like elongate your legs, and I think they are stunning. Also from Zara. My necklaces are from Missoma, as are my earrings. I am very excited about these. You guys know I love Missoma's jewelry and they've gotten even better. These earrings are from their new Hoop Air collection. Already their earrings are incredible, but they've gone and made them even lighter and even more comfortable. And these are feather light and they're still so beautiful and so well made. All of their pieces are 18 karat gold plated on recycled sterling silver. And these are the ones that I was wearing yesterday. They are so beautiful and just delicate, great everyday gold hoops. They are so lightweight, you don't even feel them in your ears, and they come in lots of different sizes and shapes and different designs, all with the same lightweight feature. So yeah, these are great, just classic everyday hoops. And then today I'm wearing these ones, which are a little bit bigger and have this really interesting kind of shape to them. Then I have these little mini ones on as well that have this tidal design. I really love these ridge hoop earrings as well. So classic, very feminine and elegant, and just so timeless. Sustainability is a core pillar and value of the brand as well, so you can feel really good when shopping with them. Yeah, they just make beautiful pieces. I will have all of these linked down below, along with a few of my other favorites from Missoma, especially a few of their other necklaces that I wear on repeat. So if you guys want to check out these pieces further, then everything will be linked for you down below in the description box. Our first date night since Nalia was born. I already miss her. We heard a baby crying Like when we got in our car.
We just like, oh. So yeah, it's our first night together out without Nalia. It feels weird. It feels important, let's say it like that. We have to value the base of or the fundament of a relationship, which is the building part for Nalia. On another note, guys, we're going on the next trip. We booked it. It's still some time until then, but...
Yeah, we booked it last night, so it feels like real official. And we've been thinking about it, talking about it, but now it's like actually booked. It's booked and it's planned, and we have lots of plans. And guys, you want to know where we're going? To Miami! So excited. I've never been in Miami. Annie has been. For me, it's my first time, so that's even more exciting. Yes, we're super excited for the sunshine, the palms, the weather, the nature, the beach. Hi, baby! Hi, my love! Oh, I miss you. I'm gonna cry. Hi, my love. Are you having a good time?
She was laughing so hard.
Oh my god. Okay, our food is here. This is ravioli with zucchini. And then we've got this beautiful big salad. So nice. And we have a truffle pasta as well. We're going to share everything. Okay, we've come to another restaurant. We still have some time. And we've gotten some desserts. This is a cheesecake. And this is a berry brownie. Yum. That's good. Good morning. So one of the new things that Nalia is doing is taking a longer morning nap. So she's now down to 2 naps. So most of the time she's been doing an hour to an hour and a half, which is so crazy to even say because we did struggle so much in the beginning with her taking longer naps and being able to connect those sleep cycles. Again, it doesn't happen every single day, but I would say like out of 7 days, maybe 6 or 5 days, she takes those longer naps. So during this time, I've been squeezing in a workout, either a Pilates or strength training with weights or just a little stretch. It just depends. It seriously feels so nice and I really missed it. I have considered doing a little workout when she's awake, but between like milk feeds and solids and then active playtime with her, there's just not that like dedicated focused time that is just for me, that I can really kind of tune in, zone out, and just really focus on a good workout. So yeah, I'm super grateful now for this time. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I'm taking advantage of these longer naps to do my workout. So today I'll be doing some Pilates with ankle weights, but as I mentioned, I'm also really into strength training with weights. I will have some of my favorite workouts and platforms down below for you in the description box. Good morning. Hello, my love. What's that? Who is that? Good morning. Did you have a nice sleep? Huh? Hello, Nadia. Hello. Oh, good job. Hi. Kiss. Yeah, I'm here while you're sleeping. I'm looking over you. Show mama. Show mama, you can do it. You can do it. Go, go, go. Yay. Again. Knock it over. Again. Yeah, almost. Try again. Try again. Yeah, go, go, go. Yay, go, go, go. Whoop. Good job. Again, again. Look at the legs. Good job. Yeah, you got it. Yes. Go, Nalia, go. She's so close to crawling. Go ahead. Yes. Yay. Another one of our favorite things right now is to get a basket like this. We've got a few with different toys. She'll just take out all of this stuff and look at it, turn it around. What's all that? She finds that really interesting. And she'll take out the next thing. Yeah, you love discovering, huh? You super curious baby. She also really loves these animal books that you can press here on the side. And it makes the different noises of the animals, and it also tells you about them. She's really into that. This is from Love Every. They are stacking cups. She wants to knock them over now. Hello. Yeah, also as we mentioned earlier, we are going to Miami. Yeah, we're gonna go to the sunshine. So if you guys have any recommendations of your favorite places there, restaurants or areas, then definitely let us know down below in the comments. We go in a month and a half, so it's still a while till then, but it's always nice to have something to look forward to. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will make sure to have links for everything that I mentioned down below in the description box. So links to my earrings, the workout that I did this morning, and anything else that I can think of. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.